In this video, I'll show you how to block a number on your iPhone. It's a very simple method, and it works on any iPhone model. If you find this helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get into it. Step 1. Open Settings. First, go to your iPhone's Settings application. This is the gear icon on your home screen. Step 2. Navigate to Phone Settings. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page. You'll see Apps as the final option. Tap on it. Step 3. Find your phone app. Now you'll see a list of all your installed apps. If you have many apps, instead of scrolling through everything, tap on Search Apps at the bottom of the screen. Simply type in Phone and tap on the phone app from the search results. Step 4. Access blocked contacts. Once you're in the phone app settings, scroll down until you find blocked contacts. Tap on it. Step 5. Add a contact to block. You'll see a message explaining that you won't receive phone calls, messages, emails, or FaceTime from people on your block list. Tap on Add New Contact or Add Blocked Contact. You can now search for the contact you want to block by typing their name or phone number. Once you find the contact, tap on it. They will be immediately added to your blocked list. That's it. From now on, any calls, messages, or FaceTime attempts from that contact will be automatically blocked and won't reach your device. You can always return to this menu to unblock them later if you change your mind.